So iPhone 17 Pro and Z Flip 7. So let's compare two phone. If I check the size, this phone is too long and the thickness is, if I fold the phone, then you can see it increase the thickness, but the overall weight is almost same. It's a little bit lighter. So first thing first, let's restart those phone and let's measure the temperature. 92, 95, backside is 92 and back part is 93. You can remember. Let's restart those phone. Let's see who comes first in this case. Is Z Flip 7 a little bit faster, but let's see who comes first finally. Android comes. Oh, let's come first. If I go to the setting, go to the display, and under display motion, then you can see it comes with 120 hertz, 120 fps actually. If I go to the motion, then you can see limit frame rate, it comes with a 60, but iPhone claim this year it comes with a 90 fps. So if we test the browsing or other game, you can clearly understand how's the speed. So it comes with 120 fps and 60 fps as well. So let's open the camera, two phone camera. If I open the photo section, let's take a photo. If I go to the 12 megapixel, and it's also 12 megapixel, 3400, 3024 and 4032. ISO 6640 and it's 320. You can see the different, and file size is 4.02 MB and this file size is 1.4 MB. So if I go to the zoom section, it comes with 40x its use, and it comes with 10x only, and it comes with 0.6 and it comes with 0.5. and if I go to the video section, it comes with 4K and 60 fps, but iPhone comes with 4K and 120 fps. That's huge and good for camera, and it comes with only 60 fps and 4K. So definitely for camera, iPhone will be good. And other section is slow motion, time lapse, cinematic, video, photo, portrait, spatial, panorama. And if I go to the mode section, you can see a lot of feature comes here. So let's test slow motion video. Let's open the slow motion in this. Let's take a slow motion footage. Yeah, I have taken a photo, and let's check. You can see it's more smooth but little fast, but it's a real slow motion, I think. So which one is best? You can comment my comment section below. and let's test some apps. Let's check. I am using the same internet. Now let's try to test some apps speed or game speed. So increase the full brightness. Let's open the Amazon. This phone brightness is a little bit good, and you can see 120 fps speed, super speed, but it's definitely not comes with 90 fps. I think it's 60 or maximum 70, not 90. Let's try with Spotify. Almost same speed. If I open the Chrome, let's open a website, ESPN Click Info. Let's test with another game. I'm playing better, right? And let's open the YouTube. If I open the YouTube, let's open a video, copyright free video. Let's test with this video actually. If I open the video, sound is definitely good for iPhone 70 Pro. And let's open a big game like FC24 Ultra. So although I am using the same internet speed, it comes fast. It's too slow and it's need more time to open it. So this is the clear winner. So that's it. So if video find helpful and if you have any query, feel free to ask in comment section below, and if you have any question, ask me, and please thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.